Hi, welcome to the Tech Learning Hub. Today we are discussing about what is the roles and responsibilities of data engineer in any project. Here we are migrating data from MySQL to Snowflake. So in MySQL database is our source database system. So in MySQL having databases inside schema and then tables, views, functions, procedures. So these tables, views, procedure, functions are already created in the our source database system. Now our client requirement is to migrating this object into the target Snowflake. For this, first we need to extracting the data from the source database system. So if any source like MySQL, Oracle, Teradata, so we are following to the same steps. Extracting the data from the source database system, we are using to the some ETL as per the client requirement. Here I am using to the material some other example of ETL tools, informatica, Python, so dbt, so we can use as per the client requirement. Extracting the data for the source database system, we are using a ETL tool. In source database system, whatever the views and procedures, here we are creating to the SQL logic. Once again we are creating to the target Snowflake. So we extracting the data from the source to target. Once the tables are loaded to the target Snowflake warehouse, so we created to the views, functions, procedures as per the what is the source database system object having. Once again here we are also created. Once we creating to the this object into the Snowflake target, so we can create it to the views and procedures as per the client requirement, our business requirement. We can write into the views. Once we writing to these views into the Snowflake warehouse, after that we are consuming to these views in any reporting tools like Tableau, Power BI. After that we are generating to the dashboards for the analyzation of data. And then here we can load to the data two scenarios. One is the full load scenario, second one is incremental load scenario. Full load scenario means we are enter whatever the data is there in our source database system, we are enter data, we are load to the target Snowflake. In incremental load means suppose every day some new records will came in our source database system. Suppose in Flipkart having to the everyday some people having purchasing to their orders, and then we are tracking to the order status moment, how many quantity will be purchased. So each electronics wise, so we are so that's why we can to the everyday new records will inserting to the outsourced database system. So we can migrating to the as per the requirement, like we are migrating one day records or 1 month records to the target Snowflake. This is called as incremental load. Incremental load means only we are migrating to the 1 day frequency or 1 month frequency, 1 week frequency to the target Snowflake. We are loading to the those records. It's called as incremental load. So any database system, MySQL, Oracle, Teradata, to migrating to the target Snowflake, we are using to the same following steps. Whatever the objects in source database system, we are migrating to the target Snowflake. Migrating to the Snowflake, we are using to the some ETL tool. As per the client requirement, we are using Matillion, Fivetran, Informatica, and then dbt. Thank you for watching.